What's up, guys? This is Brendan at Japan Direct Motors, and today I have for you a two-door Skyline GTS-T. This one has the RB20 DET single turbo. A lot of people don't know that there's another car out there than the GTR, and the GTS-T is basically like its little brother with a single turbo. It's a little bit less horsepower, and another thing too is the rear-wheel drive. So it has the 5-speed manual transmission, and we're going to take it for a little quick drive today. GTS-T is an absolute blast to drive, as all these right-hand drive cars are. This one features the Hicus, which is the rear wheel steering. There is a hydraulic piece connected to the rear wheels and power steering pump that gives the rear wheels a little bit of adjustment in corners, very small amount. It helps out with cornering a little bit. Skyline is fairly stock. It has a aftermarket shift knob, exhaust, and intake. But other than that, the car runs good. It's awesome to drive. This Skyline has a lot of power as well. It's no GTR, but like I say, the rear-wheel drive aspect really gives you a lot of more freedom. If you want to try to get it sideways or whatever your plan is with the car, it gives you that option. The steering wheel is another thing that is not stock. It's pretty good, lightweight racing steering wheel. The boost gauge, it's another thing that I forgot to mention. But other than that, it's pretty stock Skyline motor-wise, and it's really just waiting for somebody to come take it home and do some fun mods to it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Make sure to go check out this car on JapanDirectMotors.com and comment below any other JDM vehicles you guys want to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to make more videos for you guys soon.